Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ford F-250. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.